Hello, air pollution, especially fine dust in the air, is an important theme. Here in the Faculty of Radiation in Stralsund is in the area of environmental engineering looked closer into. A high level of air pollution can be found in cities as at workplaces. Because the university is very practice-oriented, our students come in the lab in contact with various pollutions. In this video we want to demonstrate in a welding shop how smoke gases form, how high the concentration on stress material is, and what influence of the type of air extraction has. For this we will do 4 measurements: a before work starts, one by welding without air extraction, one with welding with the air extraction faced up, and one with the welding with the air extraction facing down. To measure the particle here we use the particle counter from PC Instruments, the PCO1. Through the compact building art and its hard shell carrying case, it is possible to transport the device there where the burden in the air is interesting. In the case you can find all accessories which are needed to make a measurement. How the measurement works and what settings are to be made we will show you now. First of all, with the PCO1 from PC Instruments is a zero adjustment to be done with the delivered zero accessory. For this the measuring head is taken off and the filter screwed on. Then the cumulative is set to 0. The duration of the sample can be set variable, here 30 seconds and 1.416 litre. The running through all channels is done until all channels show naught. For our example, to measure the particles in the air are all chosen from 0.3 to 10 micrometer. With the before taken settings, a 0 setting is done. In our example, also after every measurement. After the zeroing, the filter is changed with the measuring head. For the measurement, go into the settings in Pro mode. Concentration is chosen so that the actual concentration of the hazardous materials can be measured. There are 4 measurements with different requirements in a respective duration of 30 seconds of 1.416 litre, and a start delay of 5 seconds is carried out. For a simple usage, because of the different conditions, is the Pro cycle set down to 1. The digital valuation is for the particle size 0.3 micrometer performed. You can recognize this by the white arrow at the side of the display. Now the concentration at the workplace before work starts is to be measured. Measuring without a dust extraction. Measuring with the dust extraction pointing upwards. Measuring with the dust extraction pointing down. Evaluation of the results. Before work started was in the area of 0.3 micrometer, 5,215 particle onto 1.416 liter measured in 30 seconds, and find it clearly in the green area of the digital color bar, whereby values up to 100,000 at 2.8 liter per minute, which is safe for the environment. During the working with and without a dust extractor, a difference quickly seen. Welding without a dust extractor and with the dust extractor pointing upwards have similar values. It is assumed that line welding dust is through the extraction power of the system whirled up, and that is why the values barely change. Welding with a dust extractor pointing downwards, it is distinctive that the welding gas removing using this system much more effective as a system pointing up. Here are only 66,432 particle of 1.416 liter in 30 seconds measured, and lays through this in the surf area. But it has to be considered that the measurement is not 200% representative because the pro cycle was set down to 1. Also, the position of the measuring device is to optimize. First findings of working at welding stations are acquired. In following examples, we will show you the versatility of the PCO1 at the University of Stralsund. For example, the students measure the fine dust particle in the exhaust of a diesel vehicle, or measure the particle amount in the clean room of the University in Stralsund.